only advanced students past this point. So if you feel like, this is going to be too much for me, stop watching, go back, check your homework, ask me questions on the stuff up above. But we're going to try to figure out how could you use that completing the square process to help you figure out the graph, right? So first of all, let's don't forget that this is an upward opening parabola. So it opens up. It has a y-intercept of 7. So the y-intercept equals 0, 7, right? So might as well just go up here and put a dot at 0, 7. And let's see, is there anything else that we know for sure? I think that's probably it for now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try that completing the square process. I'm going to take the 7 and I'm going to move it to the left side of the equation. So I'm going to go y minus 7 equals x squared plus 8x plus whatever needs to be here to make a perfect square. So let's see. I take half of the 8 and I get 4. 4 squared is 16. There needs to be a 16 sitting right here. So I'm going to put a plus 16 right here. I wish I would have given myself now more space right there because I could add 16. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little plus 16 right below the 7. All right, let's simplify this problem. So I end up with 9 right here, I think. Y plus 9 because 16 minus 7 is 9. And then on the other side, I got x plus 4 quantity squared. So do you see I'm going pretty fast here? Now, what I want to do is I want to go over to Desmos, and I want to graph this guy compared to that guy right up there. So we have x squared plus 8x plus 7. You follow me over to Desmos, and let's put x squared plus 8x plus 7 in there. Okay, so let's see here. Go to Desmos. Now, why would we be doing that work to complete the square if we're going to use Desmos? We wouldn't. We would just put in here x squared, it was x squared, plus 8x plus 7, right? So I got my y-intercept up there at 7. Let's zoom out a little bit here. Yep, definitely at 7, right? Let's make sure I copied it down, right? 8x plus 7 was the two second terms here. So let's see. So let me just say I wouldn't do anything to it if I had Desmos. I mean, I can see everything I need to see. I can see the vertex down here at -4, -9. I can see my x-intercepts. I mean, I'm cheating. I'm using Desmos, right? So let's say the requirement was no technology. All right, well, completing the square took me like, I don't know, 30 seconds. And I've got this stuff. No, wait a minute. I've seen this 4 and 9 somewhere. Look over here. See -4, -9? Oh, okay. So this has been transformed. It's been moved 4. The vertex should have been here, but it's been moved back 4 spots, right? So let me go over here and put a -4 down. Okay, I recognize that. That's how far back the vertex has been shifted. Now this 9 seems like it's on the wrong side of the equation. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move the 9 to the right side. And I get x plus 4 quantity squared minus 9. Oh, the vertex has been shifted down 9 spots. So I look over here and I just have to extend my y-axis a little bit down here to -9. And so there's my vertex down at -4, -9, because that's a vertical shift, right, of 9. And this is a horizontal shift back, left 4. Now let's see, I know my vertex is down here. How could I find the x-intercepts? Well, I could stick a 0 in for y, right? So let me push this up a little bit here. I could put a 0 right here for y, and I could move the 9 to the other side. So if I do that, I would get 9 equals x plus 4 quantity squared. Then take the square root of both sides. So I get plus or minus 3 equals x plus 4. Now I'm going to subtract 4 from both sides, and I get x equals 4 plus or minus 3. So if I did, oh, wait, it's -4. Sorry, I subtracted 4 from both sides. If I go -4 plus 3, I get -1. Okay, so here's one of my y-intercepts at x-intercepts, sorry. If I go -4 minus 3, that'd be over here at -7. So I'd come over here and find -7, right? Now I'm going to try to make it look like it's a parabola. So make it kind of curve. Oh, geez, I got to hit that y-intercept. And try not to make it look like a sharp little point down here that has some curve to it. And curving. Okay. So that's how you do these last 3 problems. You're going to complete the square. You're going to find the vertex. The vertex is going to be some translation on where the vertex should have been at the origin if it was a parent function, but it was shifted back 4 spots. and down 9 spots. So this number right here, okay, so let's put the vertex form here. So I'm going to go y equals x minus h quantity squared plus k. So this is going to tell us the up or down, okay, up slash down. So that's the k value. And this h value is going to tell you the left or the right. Okay, so left slash right. All right. Now, good luck completing the square. I know you can do it.